Okay then, so let's quickly do an indoor test flight of the Eachine E19. So what we're going to do a quick ground test first. Although this vehicle, or drone should I say, does have a ground vehicle mode, I'm not expecting too much. At the end of the day, this is a drone, and the ground function is basically a gimmick, but we're going to try it anyway. So let's turn the drone on, get it on the ground, and then we'll test the ground movement. Okay, drone is on. Let's turn the transmitter on and bind it. Just like so. Let's do gyro calibration. And then we are ready to go. What we're going to do, we're going to switch it to ground mode vehicle. So that should have done it there. So let's quickly see what happens. Yeah, as you can see, yeah, so as you can see, it works, but let's be honest guys, that's a gimmick. It's rubbish as a ground vehicle. So let's put it back into drone form, just like so. One thing I do really like is the LED lights on the actual drone itself, but let's quickly take it up into the air and see how well it flies as a drone. So there's two ways of starting it. You can either press the automatic takeoff button, or I can arm the motors and take off manually, and that's what I'm going to try now. So both sticks out, that will arm the motors, and then we're ready to take it up. Okay, so that's okay. That didn't go too bad. So what we're going to do now, we're going to try an automatic takeoff and landing. So what we're going to do, we're going to press this button. That will automatically take the drone up into the air. Now, I have locked my dog upstairs with the wife because she attacks the actual drones or any RC stuff. So she's upstairs. My cat's a little bit interested, but I'm going to move her in a minute and she'll just settle down. But yeah, what we'll do, we will do an automatic takeoff, take it up in the air, see how well it flies. Now, it is a little twitchy, to be honest. Like I say, this is a fun little toy, but it is a toy. And what I am noticing straight away, I'm not expecting it to fly great outside. I won't particularly fly this outside. This is definitely an indoor drone, I think. My front room is very, very small, at around 10 foot squared. So I'm flying it in a very confined area, but it seems to be doing well. Let's just quickly take it off and hope we don't attack the cat with it. So let's press the button. It's going to go up. And as you just saw, it just crash landed, and literally these propellers are so brittle, one crash will snap them straight off. So that's the end of this flight. What I'll do, I will put a new propeller on, and then we will continue flying. Okay, new prop is added and it's ready to fly again. What I will say quickly, you're only going to get one replacement prop for each type of propeller. So you're going to get an A, B, C and D prop, and you're only going to get one replacement. So I really don't think that's a good idea. They should have definitely give you a couple of replacements rather than one replacement for each different style of prop. So yeah, that's the downside in my opinion, but we're all ready to fly again. So let's put it on the ground and take it up for a little bit longer. Okay, let's bind it up. And we're bound. Let's do an automatic takeoff, but before we do that, as we crashed, so quickly calibrate the gyro. Okay, let's take it up in the air. Let's quickly turn this off. Now, would I recommend this Eachine E19? To be honest, guys, no, I probably wouldn't. The fact that you only get one replacement prop for each propeller is not great, because you have an A, B, C, D propeller and they give you basically one of each. If you break one prop more than once, you can no longer fly, which is a huge disappointment in my opinion. It flies okay. It's nothing special by any means. I wouldn't say it's a great flyer. It looks really cool, don't get me wrong, but performance wise, it's not great, guys, to be honest. And I would only really recommend flying this indoors. So would I recommend someone buying this? No, I wouldn't. I've got to be honest. I'm glad I got it because it does look quite cool, but I probably won't use it much, to be honest. It's going to just sit on the shelf and be a nice display model. So if you're looking at buying one of these, I would definitely suggest stay away from it. Buy something else. But if you want to buy something like this for a little bit of indoor fun, and you've just got to expect the site quirks and stuff like that this little drone has, I will leave a link in the description below just in case you want to pick one up to try. But I don't recommend doing it, guys. I recommend going for something else. If you want to get some other toy grade but decent quality RC drones, leave a message in the description below and I will get back to you and I will recommend some better drones for your money. So that's it for me, guys. Thank you for watching. Happy RCing. Take care. Bye bye.